guys, what's up? It's your girl Sashi E. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I will be showing you guys basically a what I eat in a day slash what I eat in a week, because I kind of eat the same things every day for the entire week. I'll be making that video for you guys. If you guys have not seen my latest video, I talked about how I was able to lose 30 pounds in a matter of 10 weeks after basically struggling for 6 years straight. In that video I did mention to you guys that the way that I eat has changed, the time that I eat and the things that I eat have changed significantly. So I mentioned that I eat 2 meals per day with 1 healthy snack, and I also have a cutoff time for when I eat for 3 p.m. If you guys have not seen that video, I will definitely link it above in the iCard so you guys can click on it and have direct access to that video. In the comments of that video, I had a lot of people asking me if I was counting my calories. No, I was not counting my calories, nor was I counting any macros. I was just eating balance. I would eat a carb, a protein, a veg, a fruit, or I'll have some nuts, and that is how I ate. When it comes to how I eat, I'm not somebody who has an issue with eating the same foods over and over. For this entire week, I am going to be eating an omelet, and also I'm going to be meal prepping my dinner today, which will be sweet mashed potatoes with salmon, sauteed spinach, and kale with a side of avocados. And again, I will be eating that exact same menu items for the entire week. If you guys are interested to see how I switch it up every week, definitely thumbs up this video. I have no problems creating that video for you guys weekly because I do meal prep every single Sunday. All right, y'all, let's get into it. All right, guys, so I want to talk to you guys about what I will be putting in my omelet. So I will be utilizing 2 large eggs to make the omelet. I also have some ground chicken breast here. I'm gonna cook this up to add to the omelet. And then as far as my veggies, I'll be adding mushrooms, cherry tomatoes, and some baby spinach. I also have Gouda cheese, you guys, to add. And then as far as my fruit of choice, which is also a complex carbohydrate, I have my berries. So I have blackberries. I have 2 cases of this. I also have a papaya. I'll be cutting this right after my pineapple is done. And then let me show you guys the pineapple. So I've already cut up the pineapple. Super sweet, literally so good. All right, so this is for 6 cherry tomatoes, a quarter of a bell pepper, a handful of spinach, and also some mushrooms. So I'm just gonna add that to the ground chicken. I'm just gonna cover that and let it cook down. Yeah, so I just got this food scale to measure out my pistachio nuts. I usually measure out about 56 grams, which is about 2 ounces of nuts, and that usually satisfies me as a snack. All right, guys, so now I'm about to prep for my dinner. So I'm gonna tell you guys what's on today's menu. So I'm gonna be doing sweet potatoes, mashed sweet potatoes to be specific. I have 2 cases of sweet potatoes, but I think I'm only gonna use 6 of these because, as you guys know, I do meal prep for 6 days. And then in addition to that, I'm gonna utilize my baby spinach, and then I'm gonna add the kale to it. So this is a lot of greens, you guys, but the more greens the better. If you guys are wondering what I'm gonna use for my omelet, I did take out some spinach already to have these in the mornings. And then I am also going to cook this salmon here. This is the Alaskan sockeye salmon, and then I will pair all of that with avocados. Alright, currently you guys, with my meal prep, I do like to drink it with coconut water. So this is a coconut water that I get. I buy this from Amazon. I think it's 24 in a pack for like $27. Alright y'all, so I'm all done with my meal prep. As I said, I have an avocado for each day that I'll be eating with this. So it's just salmon, sweet potatoes, and the sauteed spinach and kale. And y'all, that is pretty much it as far as what I'm going to be eating this week. I'm currently 189.4 pounds. I'm hoping that with me eating super clean this week that I'll be able to start seeing the scale move a little bit. I did go back home on vacation for like a month, and while I was there I was not eating this clean, so I'm hoping that once I get back in the swing of things I will be able to see some results. So stay tuned. I'll be showing you guys my weight today, which is June 15th. It's Sunday, Father's Day, and then on Saturday I will show you guys what I currently weigh. I hope you guys have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and if you have any questions, as always, ask down below. I love to interact and respond to you guys' comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.